yung isa si ano? She's busy asking, you ask, marami man kayo, everybody of you, may kilala kayo na senador o... Siya yan sabi si Torsidillas. I choose to forget her name.
Tordesillas.
So, tagal na yan sige pang hingi-hingi kasi may sakit daw siya, cancer. Hanggang ngayon, buhay pa rin. So maybe tonight we can pray together to pray for, para hindi na maghingi. Oh. Choose the prayer you want, but just as is your mind. You good Christians, you love your fellow men. You see no evil and pray for her recovery. Sige kasi lang yung hingi.
Yung kapo to.
Tapos walang recovery. When we pray, you pray for her for her recovery. But my prayer will be different, huh? And you know, what you are thinking, probably that you'd pray would be exactly the opposite of that. And that is my fervent prayer.
Marami pa tayong questions. Pastor, pwede ka mag-break sa
Isa pa.